There's a trend I've been seeing a lot of lately, and it's these beautiful square silk scarves. Scarf squares come in several sizes. This is about a 34 by 34 inch square. So this is about a medium size. It's great no matter how tall or short you are. This will work very well for just about everyone. And it's a really versatile size. It's not going to feel overwhelming. It's not going to feel too skimpy. So I'm going to show you quite a few ways to tie the scarf. I think this is the biggest problem people have, is they don't know what to do with a scarf like this. And you can get scarves like this for dirt cheap at thrift stores and vintage clothing stores. This one is new. It's from Lily Pulitzer, but I also have links to some other silk scarves that I've noticed recently that I absolutely love as well. So go check those out in the description below. And I'm going to show you some awesome ways to tie the scarves so that you can easily start adding them into your wardrobe. They're a great way to add a little punch, a pop of color, a little bit of warmth. So let's get into them right now. The first way is a bandana. So again, it's a big scarf. It's a big square. So you're going to fold it in half, length like this on a diagonal to make a big triangle like that. Okay, so we've got our big triangle. Okay, so all you're going to do is take it like this, and we're going to make it into a bandana. So you can rush it down a little and then tie it in the back. And now you have a bandana type scarf. And you can tuck this into a blouse. You can wear it like this. You could wear it a little bit tighter, but it's a great, easy way to wear it. It looks good under a jacket like this. Definitely one to try. All right, the next way we're going to do it is, again, we're going to do that same triangle, and we're going to take the top of the triangle, put it in the front again, and then instead of tying it in the front, you're just going to bring these down and let them hang. This is a very popular way to wear a scarf in Europe. You're going to bring this point down, and you can just leave it like that. Again, looks great, layered over pieces. You can put it underneath a jacket like this. Very comfortable, loose, airy, but will keep your neck warm. And then the next way, you can just take this a step further, take these and tie them in a square knot. So it's going to be left over right, and then right over left. And that's a square knot. And that is a whole new look, and that will help keep it in place a little bit more. Love this look as well. Then we have French style, which is a side tie. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our scarf on an angle again, and then we're just going to start at the points at the other end and roll it in. And once you've got it rolled in like this, now you're just going to take it, put it around your neck, and you're going to tie that square knot again, left over right and right over left. And now you have a beautiful French scarf that's a side tie like this. So isn't that pretty? Adds a pop of color even to my plain navy blouse. Got this nice pop of color. Could wear it on this side, whatever you like. You can also take this same way and use it as a headscarf or headband. Now, it's not one that I usually do with my hair, just because my hair is short, but you could take it and wear it like that. You could also take it like this and wear it in a ponytail. Just gonna loop it, tie it in a knot, and then if you have your hair in a ponytail, it would go right in there and look very pretty going down the back of your hair. You can also wear it as a necktie. So we're going to go back to this long piece that's rolled in. So I'm taking my two ends, twisting them again. And then this one that's underneath is going to come around. I'm going to bring it up through the center, pull down into that loop and tighten. And now I've got a cute little necktie that I can wear like that. You can also take this and make a knot in the center and wear it as a necklace. Like this. Now you're just going to tie it in the back, and you've got a beautiful little knotted necklace. You can also untie this and wear it as a shawl. Where it's just over your shoulders, put it on under something. I think even like this is really lovely. But if you wanted to, you could tie this and wear it just like that. You could even take this and wear it over to the side like this. And you can adjust this. So if you want it up a little higher, you can do that. Okay, and then you can also wear one of these on your handbag. So what you can do is we're going to take it back to the square position, fold it in half lengthwise like this, fold it again, and you can just tie it around the front of your bag. And you've got a really pretty look. Look at the pop of color that adds to your outfit. We're actually going to go back to the other tying method where we're going to go lengthwise and we're going to roll that back up again into our long tube. Okay, so we're going to loop it around the one end like this and tie. Okay, you're just going to tie it like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it around the handle. And I always do this around the front handle so I can get the best look out of it. And I have seen this done on really expensive bags such as Hermes and Louis Vuitton, and it is absolutely stunning. And it will really give your bag a high-end look. So now I've wrapped that, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to tie it off here by taking this and tying that last one. Okay, so now I've got a really gorgeous look on my two other great ways to wear it on your handbag. So I hope you've enjoyed these scarf tricks. Give a square scarf a try. Don't forget I've got links in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.